With stricter regulations on job sites, Dewalt has built even larger systems of professional power tools, hand tools, and accessories to help minimize dust on site, provide tool control, and lessen user handle vibration. Dewalt's Table 1 compliant dust extraction systems provide better working environments and include unique features like airlock to connect the tools to dust extraction shrouds, cowlings, and minimize cleanup on site. The E-clutch system senses motion of the tool and reduces motor torque to a manageable level if necessary. Kickback brake engages when a pinch, stall, or bind-up is sensed, quickly stopping the wheel. Shock's active vibration control reduces vibration felt by the user at the handles. With a system this vast and innovation continuing to change the game, Dewalt puts Perform and Protect features at the forefront. Your first line of defense, Dewalt. Guaranteed tough.
This is the Bosch ROS 20 VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others find that this sander gives them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. Stay comfortable during extended use with the soft grip top and body design, which lets you have multiple grip options. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. Variable speeds ranging from between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute lets you dial up or down depending on the sanding task at hand. Featuring Bosch's hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment, this has over 35,000 long life hooks to ensure a firm grip of the disc during use. This sander holds standard 8-hole, 5-inch hook and loop discs. The soft microcellular backing pad is pliable, so you get a smooth, fine finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. An integral pad dampening brake system also helps prevent swirl marks. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a half a micron in diameter, this keeps your workplace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust. This sander is also compatible with standard 1¼ inch and 1½ inch vacuum hoses or any Bosch vacuum hose and most European hose sizes. So this is it, the Bosch ROS 20 VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Perfect for any professional. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.